Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating HP printer error code 0xC4EB827F and wondering what's gone wrong, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into what this error means, why it happens, and step-by-step solutions to get your printer back on track. Let's jump right in. First off, error code 0xC4EB827F is a common issue with HP printers, often related to firmware problems or communication errors between your printer and computer. It typically signals that there's a glitch in the printer's internal software or a hardware conflict, which can halt printing altogether. This error is more prevalent in older models or after a recent update, so if you've just installed new drivers, that might be the culprit. Now, let's talk about the causes. This error can stem from several things, like outdated firmware, faulty USB connections, or even a paper jam that's not immediately obvious. Other factors include incompatible software versions, low ink levels, or issues with your printer's memory. For instance, if your printer hasn't been restarted in a while, dust or overheating could be playing a role. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Moving on to the solutions. Here's where we get hands-on. Start by turning off your printer, unplugging it from the power source, and waiting about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This simple reset often clears temporary glitches. Next, check all connections. Ensure your USB cable is securely plugged in and try a different port or cable if possible. If that doesn't work, update your printer drivers. Head to the HP website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them. While you're there, look for any available firmware updates and apply them. If the error persists, perform a factory reset on your printer, but be careful, as this will erase custom settings. Go to your printer's settings menu, find the reset option, and follow the prompts. Finally, run a test print to verify everything's good. Remember, if you're dealing with hardware issues like a jammed roller, you might need to open up the printer and clear it manually. There you have it, your guide to tackling HP printer error code 0xC4EB827F. By following these steps, you should be printing smoothly in no time. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.